So, hi. A couple of days ago I showed you that I'm replicating a work of channel What If I Did This. You can go and watch his channel and particularly the videos about his video track. I printed it all out, so he's giving away his work. He gave all the prints STL files that you can just put it in your 3D printer and print it out. So I finally finished the work. So right now I'm gonna show you. It is working. Right. So it starts this way. Just a couple of things as you see here and here. It is kind of leveled. Here you can see it's good leveled in the center point. Here you can see it's a little bit on the left side, but we will turn around the wheel and you will see it's working. So let's demonstrate. Right now, if I just let it go, it will go on and go on. So then I can of course turn it around and it will go on and go on. So inside is just a magnet. I have one here that I also made. This one works also well. I didn't print out here, not very much, not very good. That's why I printed the second one. But this is it. Only thing that I had to do is machine out because I couldn't find a magnet of 55. So I bought a 60 by 10 by and the gap is 20. So that one was millimeters, so that one was easy to find. So yeah, that's it. I mean, it's so simple, but it works like charm. So I don't even have to. Okay. Here is like pulling them down, but if you just start here, it will go on and go on. So the next thing is of course to make even a let's say I have now 3. If I make 7 more, then it will be like 3 meters something. I can make even more, like 10 meters, and it shouldn't stop. Also, there's one more point. It should work whenever you start here. So even if you start here, it should work. There is some hold up, but because of this, I didn't make it very well. If I go this way and start it here, it will go on, or if I go here, it will go on. So all everything that guy said is true. So go to his channel, pick up everything. I will also put a link down for his 3D files. And happy building. Have a nice evening.